Should you be putting your fingers directly in the oil, even if it's clean? Probably not. But, you know, I like to be one with nature, and right now we're touching dinosaurs.
Oh my fucking god, fucking dinosaurs.
And that's it, done. Now these should be 10 to 12 Newton meters. Alright, we've got the new gasket. That's going to go on there like that. Perfect. Unfortunately, I had to take it all back apart again off camera and rebuild it all again because every time I tried to test the kicker mechanism, it wouldn't return. Now it seems to be fine.